So I just talked to some of the 5th graders who are auditioning for the ES musical about the audition process and how that can be really nerve-wracking, how to best go through auditions with handling nerves, and how to engage the audience when doing your audition. Just some tips and tricks. What auditions are really about is seeing if you can embody this character. It's not about playing it perfectly or singing it perfectly, but it's about showing that you have a willingness to try, have a willingness to take criticism and take direction. Some of the questions they had were how to handle nerves, and they ran their monologues with me and asked for some tips on how to improve it and how to engage the audience a little bit more when doing their acting auditions, as well as how to handle singing a cappella. It's kind of scary if you haven't done it before. It seems a lot more intimidating than it really is. But if you think about it, when you're singing, just walking into class or something, or if you're singing at recess, you're really singing a cappella. You don't have music with you all the time, so if you're humming a song while you're doing your homework or humming a song while you're doing your math in class, that's basically the same thing. I'm also part of the GSA club, and something that we are working on is to try and get that more sort of cross-divisional and get middle school more involved as well as elementary school more involved, because I think it just creates a more harmonious sort of school environment, as well as just culture of ASIJ can be more sort of connected. So I'm really excited that they've started an ES musical, because I've loved theater and watching it, and I totally wish I could have been a part of it from a much younger age. So it's really exciting for you guys to kind of explore a new sort of creative outlet that you might not have explored beforehand. The high school musical this year is Legally Blonde, and it follows Elle Woods, who got dumped at UCLA by her boyfriend, and then follows him to Harvard Law School, and in the process kind of finds her passion for law and a love for the law, a new love interest, and some new friends along the way, and it's really interesting. I'm going to be playing Elle in the show in April.